Chains on my flesh, pain in my breath. Slave on the ship, praying for death. Cries in the wind, blood on the steps. Still hear the whips when I'm laying to rest. Yeah, we sell dope to the next generation. They overdose on lies and deception. Fake news, false views, mind manipulation. AI chips got they souls in possession. Digital prison, critical system, spiritual wisdom becoming forbidden. Children can't listen, hearts full of division. Souls trapped inside algorithmic religion. Yeah. Where do we run? Where do we go? Who do we trust when the preacher look lost? Who do we follow when prophets one prophet and every false shepherd exploiting the flock? I look to the heavens but clouds looking toxic, pain in my conscience, thoughts getting nauseous, truth getting buried inside of the gossip, devils in suits making death look polished. Lord, hear the cries of the slaves in the fire. Souls growing tired while the world growing colder. Trying to survive while the devil build empires. Carrying pain like the weight on my shoulders. We was born chained, mentally caged, generational rage. God is lost in the maze, still praying for grace. While we stuck in these days, unexpected favor on a vessel unworthy of. I came from the bottom where hatred was normal. Mothers was crying, funerals formal. Children abandoned, streets getting colder. Young men dying before getting older. They poison the food and they poison the water. Poison the music that poison the daughters. Turn sons to monsters and fathers to robbers. Now trauma inherited straight from my fathers. We experimental rats in the digital lab, trading our souls for attention and cash. Everybody smiling while living so sad. Broken identities hidden behind masks. The rich get richer while the poor turn savage. The church turns silent while the streets turn tragic. Politicians lie and the masses just clap it. Meanwhile, demons keep harvesting havoc. I'm just a slave trying to break every chain, looking for light while surrounded by pain. I done seen killers cry out in the rain. I done seen pastors corrupted by fame. Still I believe through the blood and the scars, I can revive every soul in the dark. Cause mercy still shines where the broken ones are, and grace still reaches the slaves with no heart. Lord, hear the cries of the slaves in the fire. Souls growing tired while the world growing colder. Trying to survive while the devil build empires. Carrying pain like the weight on my shoulders. We was born chained, mentally caged, generational rage. God is lost in the maze, still praying for grace. While we stuck in these days, unexpected favor